Everybody must have heard that Apple's been working on a foldable phone, and now the news has been confirmed. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech news. Sure, Apple hasn't given the official word about the project just yet, but there are more than a few signals about it, such as the experimental iPhone Air that debuted last year. But today's inaugural developer beta of the new iOS 27 also had a few dead giveaways. Sam Henry Gold spied the latest indications that a foldable is in the works in the iOS 27 frameworks. The documentation contains references to terms such as foldState and angleDegrees, as well as language for the total number of built-in displays on the host device. Each of those point to the operating system being used on a foldable rather than a traditional single-screen smartphone. Another source confirmed the existence of these references in iOS 27 and said that they were not present in iOS 26. Further intrigue came from Apple's own developer, State of the Union, where the company said it was adding support for resizing iPhone apps in both Mac OS mirroring feature and on iPad. That does sound useful for iPad and Mac users, but sure seems like introducing an iPhone with a new form factor to us. In Apple's defense, it's hard to hide an item once people know what they're looking for. Between the presence of many other foldables already on the market and the level of detail developers get access to about new operating systems, it would be pretty tricky to hype this type of prep work for a new hardware, especially when everyone's expecting an iPhone Fold to drop this fall with the running iOS 27. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.